Hi guys, welcome back with the second regular puzzle, a Sudoku medium in today's newspaper on Wednesday, March the 30th, 2022. We have here three regular puzzles. The binary, I've just solved this minute ago, killer Sudoku, and the medium Sudoku. And in this daily newspaper, we have no extra puzzles, so only these three regular puzzles. What I will do is to continue with the yesterday's edition of Tuesday. There are four puzzles left in the yesterday's edition, but first we will solve this baby number 4332. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, yes, this will be a 2 stars. For a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. In this column, we have 4 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 6. We have an 8 and a 6 in this big square, so no 8 and a 6 in these two boxes. The 8 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 8 and a 6, 8 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8, it goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next to only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. Then, let me see. How about 8. I'm scanning. I'm scanning. 8. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2. The 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 there in the last row. So no 3 in this box. The 3 goes here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in the last column. So 2 missing numbers in this big square are the 7 and the 5. We have a 7 and a 5 in the last column. So no 7 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. The 7 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And look, we have a 2 and a 4 in this row. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. The 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for number 3. Okay. Alright. 1. Okay. Then. How about the number? Let me see the 9 in this row. the 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, oh 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, third column, 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, oh 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9 in this column, so no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. Okay. Alright. Alright. Then. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 8. We see an 8 in this column, so no 8 in this box. And 8 in the first column, so no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 in this row should be there. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in this row. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in this box. The only box left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 5. Wait. 1, 3, and 8. Okay. Wait. Then. Yeah. I'm scanning. How about these 2 missing numbers in the last row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers. So 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Alright. Then. These 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then. 6, 2. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 in the first row. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. The 2 and a 6 goes in those two boxes. As a pair, 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. So one digit left in this column for number 4. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. So now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, this box should be a 5. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6 and a 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 6 in this first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. This box should be a 6, and that box should be a 2. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see that 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. Then 2 numbers left in the third column for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and the 5 are missing. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 5 in this column, first column. 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for numbers. For the number 1, 2 is missing. Okay, 2 numbers left for this big square for numbers. Oh, wait. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. Final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, let me give this 1 star, because I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in these these center boxes of the big square. Big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern, maybe I can see a pattern, who knows. I'm collecting those data for more than 7 weeks. 357, 357, 368, 368, 792, 792. So here we have, I believe, 2 pairs. The 3s and the 7s. 5, 6, 8, 9. Yeah, 2 pairs. All right, thank you. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, Killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. See you then. Bye-bye for now.